Okay, so welcome to Sophos home tutorial on ML base detection. First, we need to download a file which is malicious and that will be picked up by ML. Based on the detection, we'll show you how to exclude them, remove them from exclusions so that you can manage your endpoint. So first of all, I've downloaded the file which is in a zip folder, which by default will not scan the zip files. You need to extract them to any of your location on your C drive. Now, once this file has been detected, you should expect that the ML should pick up this file as soon as it is scanned. As you can see here, the thread has been blocked. ML is detected in this location, and then it will show the thread is blocked, but the file will remain here. It will take some time for the file to be removed from the system, as it will detect the best course of action to remove the file. This time may vary. Now, if you want to check on your history, you can just click on Manage. That should open your Sophos home account. If you are not enabled direct access, then you need to log in. Otherwise, you should able to get to your dashboard directly. As you can see here, the read thread has been removed, and if you go back to the location, the file has been missing. It's been deleted. Now, in case if you want to retrieve the file back, you must acknowledge the alert on your dashboard. This is the latest one, 318. That's on this current time. We'll pick up the system time. Now, if you click on Show Advanced, you should see that they will get this wrong. Unblocking this file is not recommended. Now, if you believe the file is genuine and you wish to run it regardless of our warnings, then you may click on Allow and Restore. Now, this will send instructions to your endpoint whenever it is connected to the internet. So this may take some time until the file is restored. There it is. The file has been restored back to its location, and you should be able to run this file without any issues. Now, in case you wanted to remove this file from exclusions, you need to go to protections, and you should see the exe file here. You can just remove it by clicking on cancel, and it will be removed from its whitelist, and it will detect again whenever this file is scanned again.